Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by checking prerequisites. You must own an AR and have unlocked crafting or vendor access. Once confirmed, prioritize scavenging military zones and lootable houses for gunpowder and casings. These spawn more often near checkpoints. Make sure to keep at least one empty slot for crafted clips. Head to a safe workbench as soon as you have one blueprint and materials. This is where you convert parts into usable AR rounds. You do this to spend resources efficiently and avoid combat losses. Once you reach a workbench, follow the blueprint. Crafting usually requires gunpowder plus casings. You convert one set into a clip. While crafting, remember to dismantle unwanted weapons. Each yields casings and springs that save farming time. Make sure to check vendor inventories between runs. They often carry clips or trade parts for ammo when you need immediate supply. Also, rotate looting. Military checkpoints, radio towers, and car trunks have higher drop rates. Hit those repeatedly to sustain your crafting loop. Complete the process by topping up before major engagements. Craft or buy enough clips and stash extras in safe houses. If you run dry, immediately rerun high-yield zones or dismantle spare firearms to replenish casings quickly. Make sure to test one crafted clip at a firing range or safe spot. This confirms correct ammo type and performance. If something goes wrong, reload your save, revisit the vendor, or check your inventory filters. Often the issue is missorted parts or a missing blueprint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.